That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality. That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Hi, I'm Dulce, your Aces Power Singing Diva. From my Dulce Amor days to where I am now mentoring aspiring singers, I feel proud bringing honor to our country. At my age, I make sure I live fit and healthy with proper diet, exercise, and MX3 every day. MX3 is one of my instruments to complete the powerful rhythm and harmony of my musicality.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Mag-MX3 araw-araw para M-Extraordinary.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo, Smart Dishwashing Paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bacteria.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo, Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Santon Vitamin C, ang alkaline na vitamin C.
Ako si Nico Delfin, dating TV reporter ng Kapamilya Network. Siguro kong naka-Santon Vitamin C ako araw-araw. Importante kasing maiwasan ang sakit at mapalakas natin ang katawan.
Santon Vitamin C, ang alkaline na vitamin C.
Mabibili sa pinakamalapit na butika sa inyong lugar.
DCXL News, ang himpilan ng RMN. DCXL 558, unang radyo, unang balita.
Kuya Xander Cayabyab at Radyoman Jane Martin para sa RMN DZXL.